Hey guys, today here at Cali Rays LED, we're going to be showing off one of our new little products we have. These are our upgraded bed tie downs we're offering. They fit on all the Toyota Tacomas, Tundras, and most other beds for different trucks. And these are a great little accessory because it just gives you an added tie down location in your bed, whether you're strapping down a cooler, spare tire, or you haul a lot of things and just need an extra place to tie them down. So what they do is they actually fit with the same bolts that are used to hold your bed down. So all you do when you install it is remove this bolt right here with a T55, and then you place the tie down over the hole and the bolt goes right back through. So you're able to turn it to face any way when you install, whether you want it set that way for a cooler, you can also do it that way. You have a 360-degree way you can set these up. They're a real cool little accessory. We sell them for $19.99 on our website. They come powder coated with free shipping and there's no tax. So yeah, head over to our website, check these out, caliraysled.com. Thanks for watching, guys.